welcome to Martis Valencia's channel. I'm Celia.
And I'm Teresa.
And today we're going to make a homemade cake. So we have a yogurt, we have 3 eggs, and just a little bit of salt. For the same, we are going to use the same cup that we used for the yogurt to measure the quantity of the olive oil, the sugar, and the flour. We're going to use 1 cup of olive oil, 2 cups of sugar, and 3 cups of flour, and a spoon and a half of baking soda. Let's get started. First, we have to mix the eggs with the sugar. So we have to mix it very good. So then so now we're going to make the yogurt and this. So we're going to mix it. Are you ready to mix? So yeah, guys. So now we're going to mix all of this. Whoa, guys. I'm going to Now we have to put the flour with 1/2 spoon of baking soda and a little bit of salt in the mixture. But a little bit. Now we have to put some butter on the container that we're gonna put the mixture of the cake so it doesn't stick when we put it in the oven. Yeah, very good. So now we're going to put a little bit of flour in the container. So yeah. Now we're gonna pour all the mixture into the container. Yeah, this is heavy. We're going to put it on the oven at 350 Fahrenheit degrees for 40 minutes. Let's go! This is the final result for the cake. It smells wonderful! See you next time! So don't forget to subscribe in this video.